Here we are. He's coming. Hi, Billy. Nice
Hello.
to see you.
You doing?
Yeah. How long you had this car?
I got it in 2015.
15. What is called name?
1974 Corvette.
How about the engine size?
5.7. These are 5.7 litre. It's a 350 small block.
350 small block. How old is she?
1974, so
1974, older
yeah,
than
so-
me. I'm 1970.
oh yeah, 49.
49.
And he's only done just over 20,000 miles.
Really?
And I've got all the paperwork to prove it. I bought it from America.
You put much effect to make it nicely. Interior nice.
Yeah, it's all original.
Shine body or original. That's handy.
It's got patches here and there, but it's basically hasn't been painted. It's all original.
What's the wheel size for this one?
Wheel size is 15 inch. You see the chalk marks there?
Yeah.
That's what it was built from new. They put the shims in in the assembly line, because when they're built, they're never straight. So they put shims in to put the body straight. If you go around the whole car, there's all different chalk marks to tell you on the assembly line to make the car straight.
Right. You can see here 2 marks there. Other side 3. Yeah, that's a kind of alignment system. Okay, Billy, I know you are busy. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Yeah, see you with next motor show.
Thank you.
Nice one.
Cheers. Enjoy the car. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, we're the Caps Club Corvette Appreciation Society. We're here at Bromley Pageant. We'd like to let everyone know that we're going to be at the NEC this year, and please spread the word, because the more the word spread, the better show we can put on. And you can come and see our lovely Corvettes. Thank you.